Matthew 5:13 You are the salt of the earth, but if the taste of salt is spoiled, then with what substance will it be made salty, and then it should be thrown out. If we she heard, why is it written in the Bible that if there is no salt in us, then we are nothing? Where we are salt in our home food every day and put salt in the food, the salt inside man. What salt is being talked about here now from the Bible? 2 Kings 90:22. Then the people came to Elijah and said that the land is barren and the water is causing abortion. The Elijah said, bring salt in cup, and he put salt in the water and said that the Lord says, I will make it clean. If we see in this verse the example given by God in Matthew 5:13 is applicable here, in which Elijah makes the water which caused abortion clean. Similarly, God says, keep salt in yourselves. See from the Bible, Colossians 4:6, your word salt always be polluted and salty. To the you now how to reply to every person here. God is saying that your words should have salt, meaning your words. Salt have salt, meaning your words. Salt have understanding, so that people know that these things are true. Therefore, in Matthew 5:13, God says, keep salt inside you, meaning your words. Should have salt, meaning your words. Should have salt, meaning your words. Should have understanding, so that people know that these things are true. Therefore, in Matthew 5:13, God says, keep salt inside you, meaning you should be able to explain this thing of wisdom to people through your words. In Genesis 90:26, when Lot's wife did not listen to the angel, she became a pillar of salt, meaning God. Example shows the pillar of salt into keep salt inside you, good God. Salt is the example shows the Lot's wife in 2 Kings 90:22 shows Elijah by purifying water told that if you keep salt inside you, then dead things, be it job or illness, everything will become fine.